A, B, C. Animal saw. A is for alligator swimming in the pond. B is for bear, big and full of fun. C is for cat who purrs all day. D is for dog who loves to play. Let's sing the ABCs. Come sing along with me. Animals from A to Z. It's fun as fun can be. E is for elephant who stomps sprays. F is for fox with a fluffy tail so sleek. G is for goat jumping to the sky. H is for hamster who's small and shy. Let's sing the ABCs. Come sing along with me. Animals from A to Z. It's fun as fun can be. I is for iguana, green and cool. J is for jellyfish floating in the pool. K is for koala in a eucalyptus tree. L is for lion roaring wild and free. O, A, B, C. So many friends to see. From land to sea, they're wild and friendly. M is for monkey swinging all around. N is for newt, in the leaves he's found. O is for owl who says who just right. P is for peacock showing feathers bright. Q is for quail doing a little kick. R is for rabbit with a bunny trick. S is for shark with sharp teeth you see. T is for turtle who lives by the sea. Let's sing the ABCs. Come sing along with me. Animals from A to Z. It's fun as fun can be. U is for unicorn, magic in the air. V is for vulture, flying way up there. W is for whale, singing deep and low. X is for xanthus, a bird in the snow. Y is for yak with fluffy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear.